As the victim's family, we're very happy that we're at the end of the criminal proceedings, okay? The pain will not go away, okay, by no stretch, and the difficulties of dealing without their mother, my daughter's sons are going to go through for the remainder of their lives, okay? And I don't know how in the court so many times I've heard that more or less the victim was the cause of some of these things, which that's really hurtful, okay, because it's totally untrue. But as part of this, you have to suck up the painful statements and understand that right now this man is on his way to prison. And as I said before, society in general is protected from his evil because, as you heard in the court, his evil didn't just end. Okay, so he had other targets in mind. Okay, whether it was around that time or sometime in the future, but he had other targets in mind. So we're very fortunate that the court did its job and has moved on now, where he will be locked up for quite a while. So that's about it. So.
He said he was sorry. What did you think when you heard that?
Those are just words, okay? But read into the document that was prepared, I didn't hear much sorrow in some of the statements he made to the people he was talking to as part of that. So I didn't read much sorrow into that. I read that there was victim blaming, okay, which is, I guess, a classic for a narcissist, okay? But the thing is that he said he was sorry, but I think those were just words. So
sentence was 40. How many would like to have gotten today?
You couldn't even count. I mean, it's hard to equate. But as the judge said, we saved a lot of reliving of very, 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 and even here today, we saved a lot of reliving of very, very, very ugly and brutal situation. That who wants to go through that again? Okay, so we did save that for everyone concerned. Our family, and I guess his family as well is going to benefit from that. But 40, we're living with it, okay, and we're taking it as the best we could do under the circumstances.